Jasper had a giggle so grand, it was famous throughout the land. It was a big, booming, bouncy laugh that made buttercups dance a jig and sunshine sparkle like a million tiny diamonds. But for all his sunshine and giggles, Jasper had two little cloudy habits. First, he was a champion toy hoarder. His room was a mountain range of unopened boxes and unshared treasures. Second, he was the pickiest eater in all of Giggleville. Blech, he'd declare, even at the sight of a perfect purple plum or a cheerful green pea. One sparkling morning, a package unlike any other arrived at Jasper's doorstep. It shimmered with an odd, purple light and pulsed with a faint, curious hum. It was shaped like a giant, wobbly question mark, and tied with a ribbon of sticky, green goo. The tag, written in wobbly, silver letters, read, "To Jasper, from the Giggle-Snatcher." Jasper, brimming with curiosity and a tiny bit of nervous excitement, carefully peeled back the gooey ribbon. Inside, nestled on a bed of shimmering moonbeams, sat a creature. It was small and fuzzy, the color of a startled tangerine, with enormous, shimmering, sad eyes that looked like puddles after a rainstorm. It looked like a fluffy dust bunny crossed with a very worried hamster. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!